Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fit long text in Excel. You will start by opening the Excel file. You can see the cells with the long text. First, select the cells with the long text. Now from the Home menu, click on Wrap Text. You can see that the text is tight. Another option to use is to select the cells. You will right-click on them and then choose the Format Cells option. There, on the Alignment tab, check the Wrap Text box. Click on OK and you will see the adjusted text in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.